Strava free versus paid, is it worth the upgrade? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Strava is now recognized as one of the leading fitness tracking apps worldwide, especially for people who run or cycle regularly. It helps users record workouts, explore new paths, and analyze their training all from one platform. While Strava does offer a premium membership, the core app is free and includes enough features for most everyday users. Many people upgrade not because they have to, but because they want to support a platform they enjoy using. That said, the paid version does unlock several advanced tools. One major benefit is access to route segments, which allow you to measure your performance on specific stretches and see how you stack up against others. You can also review past workouts in great detail and compare results over time using more in-depth analytics. The subscription includes an expanded training dashboard that provides additional performance data. These extra metrics make it easier to track progress, spot trends, and understand how your fitness is changing. Users can also set custom training goals and review historical activity data to identify strengths and areas that need improvement. Another advantage of the paid plan is enhanced route discovery. Strava can suggest new routes and locations, helping you find fresh places to train. There's also a safety feature that enables real-time location sharing with supported devices such as Garmin or Apple Watch, allowing trusted contacts to follow your activity while you're out exercising. Subscribers also gain access to a personal heat map, which usually displays where you've been active over time. It's an interactive way to see your training footprint and revisit places you have explored. In terms of cost, Strava provides a 30-day trial so you can try all premium features before paying. After the trial, the monthly price is $12. Choosing the yearly option reduces the cost to $80 per year. Students receive an even bigger discount at $40 annually. There is also a family plan priced at $140 per year, which covers up to 4 accounts and can be worthwhile if everyone plans to use the premium tools. Pricing and features may change as the app evolves, but this covers what the Strava subscription currently offers and what you get with the paid experience. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.